I finally have the TV all to myself. Let's see what's on. I wonder what is on though. Maybe it's something cool, maybe it's something crappy. Huh? It's what? Oh, doesn't seem. What? The TV. It's not working. What's the matter? Oh God. Why? 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 Oh well. I'm just gonna sit here looking at blank TV. Oh, now it's working. This feels great. Hey, what you doing? Oh, jeez. Hi. Well, wait. Oh, there's the remote. I finally found the remote. Okay, what you watching? Oh, I'm just watching, well, something. Let's see. Oh, so good. Hey. Hey, what you doing? Oh, give me that remote. Yeah. You can get better. Come on, Peter. Oh, well. At least things can't get any worse than this, right? Freeze. Oh, good thing I'm ice-proof. The remote, keep it off. Oh, no. Shoot. 不是我在 film 东西啊。
你总整那个小玩意儿看啥呀？累够呛的眼睛。
Okay. Well, this is not going to be good after all. Oh. Huh? What did I do? You just froze red. Oopsies. At least we're space aliens, but red isn't. Be careful. Crap! I'm taking that remote. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, parkour master. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got the remote all to myself. Yeah, it's so cool. Yeah, I'm so cool. So cool, huh? So cool. Look at them skills. Give me that. Finally, the remote all to myself. Hi. Oh, fuck. Bro! Oh, geez, now there's two dragons with me. Dang it, the TV broke! Thank you, you broke the remote, so now TV isn't working. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to. Look what you've done! You broke my bro's neck. Oh, no, he didn't. Just imagine that. Oh, oops. Oh God, just get away. Away. Finally, all to myself. But for what? The TV's broken. Oh well, I'll just turn. No, I can't. I have all this time. I have to keep it on. Please work. I need to fix this remote. Time fixing later. Okay. Well, finally. Oh well. Well, at least I got the remote fixed. Oh yeah, this is so cool. Oh, look at this dude. Oh, look at him. Look at this dude. Look at it. Oh no. Bazaar! Oh my God, I love that thing. So cool. Oh! What? So cool. What's going on? Am I going crazy? Oh jeez. What's going on? Help me. Oh jeez. What's going on? What did I do to deserve this? Bo. You mind? I need to watch that. So I must get in to serve to the skills of the hiding. Oh jeez, if only I could actually fit in here. Oh well, I'll just wait. Hopefully they can't find me in here. The package arrived. Let's see what's in it. Oh dang it, the TV turned off. Why did you do this to me? And it's so impossible to open this. All of you, get over here. Why? I just wanted to watch TV by myself. And look what you've done. I'm gonna go get myself a job. What does that say? Oh, this is job icon. What does it say? I don't know. What do you expect? See, I can't really read it. Maybe if we close it up a bit. It says U Green. Let's see. It says U Green Group Limited. It's at U Green, and it says my work number. My work number is column QC and desk number 06. Nice! You got yourself a job. No, that's not mine though. I was told I wasn't supposed to work at U Green. Oh wait, that's mine. What? You got yourself a job too? Yeah. So I just hold on to this and I show it to them and like, yeah. Wow. Oh, it's almost time for work. Well, that's one problem. Well, that's one problem fixed. Hey bro, I just realized I need to go back to outer space. Okay, see ya. Banzai! Ow, this hurts a lot. Finally. Just place all to myself. No, there's like 4 people left. Hi. Get them out. That's for you. You're not supposed to be here. Get into the package. No, don't stuff me in. Oh, yes, I can. I can do anything I want with you. Please, no. Wait, is this the end of mine? Mine, it said that at the end, we get amazing powers. Yay! But what's the end of amazing? My death for the end of the world. There. Stop saying that, you fucking piece of off. Well, yeah, let's just stop the swearing. Oh, we both have races golden. Oh, fudge. And as for you, go to outer space. That's for you. Oh, fudge. Alright, come over here. No, what are you going to do? So let's see. Let's just grab this dog then. Alright. What are you going to do? Just calm down. It's not going to be too long anyway. Huh? Oh yeah, that's... No. There we go. Now I have a permanent keychain. Finally got every person. Knowing those two, they stay a lot for a long time. Finally, this place all to myself. Oh, and as for you, get out there. Finally, all to myself. I'll just turn on TV. Let's just turn on TV. Ah, so good. So cool. So cool. So cool. Sans, what are you doing? So cool. So cool. Shut up, Sans. So cool. The ghost hand. Oh shoot. So, a week later. Okay, let's see if this new shot can be pulled off. So we. Oops. Let me try it off. Nice, huh? So cool. 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 Let's just rebuck then. Oh, guess this episode's done for. No, don't that close. Oh well. That's all. I'll just read first. Oh shoot! Cool. Oh well, I guess this episode's done for, huh? I'm just gonna go back home. Dang it, the remote won't turn on. Ah! Why won't this thing work? Screw you! Oh, meanwhile, let's see if we can close up to these guys. When are we ever gonna get revenge on him? I don't know, but I just know one day we're gonna get him. Oh, that's a cutscene. That shouldn't have happened. You idiot! Sorry! I just really want to do that cutscene. Oh well, bye.